Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make turmeric tea for a flat tummy. Here are the ingredients you will need to make the tea. Here I have honey, and also I have one lemon, and here is the turmeric. Can you see it's bright? It has a bright yellow color. You know, turmeric has been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat a variety of health issues, including digestive problems. It contains a powerful compound called curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help support a healthy gut and reduce bloating. So in this video, I will show you how to make a simple and delicious turmeric recipe that can help you achieve a flatter tummy. So follow along as I share the tips and tricks for incorporating this um, amazing spice into your daily routine and learn how to reap its many health benefits. So let's get started. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon. So and here I have a kettle. So I'm going to fill my kettle with water. I'm going to fill the kettle with water. Okay, like that. So here I have 750 ml of water. So I'm going to be taking this tea. I'm making something I'm going to take twice, in the morning and in the evening. So this is 750 ml. I'm going to bring the water to boil. So I'm making this tea to be used twice. I'm going to use it in the morning and in the evening. So then I'll be using 2 tablespoons. But if you're preparing it to be used just once, you only need 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of honey, and 1 tablespoon of lemon. So I'm going to add my turmeric here. 1. You have to level it, and that's it. So I'm going to bring it to boil. Okay, I'm going to bring the turmeric to boil. So you have to boil it for, you have to lower it on the heat. You don't need too much heat. So you have to boil it for like 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes, until the color changes. Like it has to be like golden brown. It's still like bright yellow here. So you have to boil the turmeric until it's like golden brown or something. Okay, so I'm going to put on the kettle and boil the water more. Okay. Okay, so the water is boiling. I mean, the tea is boiling now. You can look at the color now. The color has changed. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm just going to shake it and pour some in this cup. Okay. So I'm going to cut the lemon. Okay. squeeze it out. All we need is just the juice. Okay, there. Just 1 tablespoon. And then I'm going to add this honey, but really I don't use honey. I just take the tea like that with the lemon. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to add some honey to the tea. Okay, my honey is almost gone. Just one spoon is okay. So, and that's it. You mix everything together. Okay. Remember, you have to boil the turmeric on the heat for like 5 to 10 minutes before you put up the heat. So here, my tea is ready. Oh, look at it. Ah, wow. And here, so I'm going to have a taste. Oh my God, it's still hot. Okay, so you can just let it cool for maybe like 1 minute or two. It depends on the weather actually. So you can let it cool for some minutes, then just enjoy your tea. Okay, I hope you like this video. If you want, please subscribe to my channel, comment, and also like my video. Thank you very much.